How to make custom hats on Roblox. New 2020. Making a custom hat is not as difficult as one might think it is. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Roblox Echo! Since its release in 2007, Roblox has taken the world of gaming to a different level. It not only allows users to play games but also design games and items for selling, as per the user's liking and creativity. A few users have criticized Roblox for giving freedom to its players for creating custom accessories for their characters. But many enjoy the flexibility regardless. So the following is a guide to help you create custom hats on Roblox. The basics. Being able to create custom accessories and items on Roblox is a serious flex, and many like to display their creativity to other Roblox users. So, to design a hat on Roblox, the first step is to download Blender. It is a 3D computer graphics design software with relevant tools and equipment to help you create your items with detail and complexity. It allows you to use the tools online free of cost, so that you are able to play around with them a little and explore the software to create the best custom hat. You can also utilize the software for creating 3D printed models and computer games, etc. Once you set the software up on your PC, get ready to do some exploration. The guide given in the software will help you familiarize yourself with the tools, but we have it here to make it easier for you. To move around, use Shift F. The wheel on your mouse will help you control the speed of your movement around the software. You can play with it for a while, so you get the hang of it. The left click button on your mouse will set the camera at the perfect angle for you to use, and the right click button on the mouse will help you select objects. A helpful tip. Hold the Shift plus right click button to select several items at a time and add similar effects on them. This will save you time. Knowing that you are in full control of your software and its usage, and you can do anything you like. If anything is being a nuisance to you, you can get rid of it by hitting X. To zoom in or out of items, you can press S. To rotate the items freely, press R. And to grab those items, you will have to press G. Entering the studio. The process is a rather complicated one, but this guide will help you move around without any problem. The next step is to model the hat around a head. For this, you need a head mesh that can be exported from the Roblox Studio to the software, Blender. To create the mesh, click on Rig Builder from the Studio Plugins tab and insert it in a block rig. To separate both items, ungroup the head by right-clicking on it. You will then have to export it through Explorer or Google in the .obj file format. Next, to import the file to Blender, click on File and Import the item to Blender. When you do this, you will be led to another list of options. You will have to click on Wavefront .obj to select it. The real use of buttons begins here. With Ctrl-Shift-Alt-C, you will be able to bring the head to the origin, making sense of the axis through selecting Geometry to Origin. Now the step you all have been waiting for, creating the actual hat. To begin this process, create a circle for its base and specify the number of verticals you would want your hat to have in the boxes on your bottom left. Move your cursor up and down to adjust and find the right size of the hat according to your head size. For this tutorial, take the hat of a magician as an example. A magician's hat is sized to overlap his forehead a little until it looks like a hollow ring. You fill the ring by pressing the F command, and with this, the base is ready. By pressing E, you can make it as tall as you like. Don't forget that whatever you are creating is your masterpiece, so explore everything. Color and texture details. Now you have your model ready, and it's time for the most exciting part, adding detail to your object. There are a few ways to go about it. You can also use the Texture Paint tool and the UV mapping option. Split the screen into two and drag it to the corner of your screen to reveal the UV editor. Click on the Edit mode and unwrap the UV by pressing U. Select the Smart UV project and let your creativity unleash. Add the name of the color you want on your hat, and you will have your complete piece in front of you. Now that you're done, you have to export your file to the Roblox Studio. To do this, click on File, then click on Export, then Wavefront.obj, and the name of the file. Please note that the Selection Only option is selected so that the head does not get imported along with the hat. Finally, it's time to see your complete item in the studio. Open your Roblox Studio and right-click on the screen to insert the object. Click on Mesh Part and select Mesh ID from the Properties and browse through to find your .obj hat file. When the hat appears on the screen, adjust it as per your character, and there you go! This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.